kire ka ịfụ manụkwa ka Sowore si jee n'ụlọ ụka Dunamis na Abuja n'iji fụ na agbapụtara ndị na-ekwu na Buhari ga-anarịrị oge ọ nụrụ na ejidere ndị uwe edere na Buhari ga-anarịrị ya bụ na Buhari must go.
We are videoing you. Yes. We just met with a mentor and you are here harassing people. You got the church into problem. You have put them into problem. And you are going to get police to come and kill somebody.
Did you hear what he said? He will shoot someone. No, he said he will shoot someone. The police officer said he will shoot someone. No, understand? That is the perception that was given yesterday. That the church caused this. You give the church a bad name. It's wrong.
You want to kill somebody because they are in front of the church. Is that death penalty? To be in front of the church, is that a death penalty?
In front of the church, when you shoot someone. Why do you want to kill somebody?
But that's not your police.
We are not doing this. We are asked to come. Yes, but why will you say we shoot someone?
You are saying here that you want to kill people because they came to church.
That he wants to make him to shoot someone. That wants to shoot someone.
Why did you threaten to kill anybody? Why would you? What is it? Is it a crime to kill somebody in public?
So do you enter the road and begin to video?
Why not? Why not? Yes, yes. It's our right.
You don't have that right.
We have a right. No. Don't try to touch anybody here.
Excuse me. No.